What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So just taking a quick look at Vechain here, and as we can see, we're still chopping sideways, aren't we? Really, for a lot of cryptos over the past few days, we haven't really seen much movement in the market. You can obviously see Bitcoin just chopping sideways as well. Having a little bit of a dip yesterday and then getting a nice recovery today. Just looking as though we are basically still heading sideways in our range here, aren't we? You can see quite clearly here for Vechain that nothing has changed here. As we said, once we broke out of this descending wedge, descending kind of, channel wedge, whatever you want to call it here, we were putting in a bit of a range in between our two Fibonacci levels here. And you can see that that's still the case. These Fib levels being respected absolutely perfectly. You can see here the resistance still there at the 0.38 at around 10 cents and the support still at around that 0.23 level at around 7.7 cents as well. And really, once we break one of these two levels, nothing much is going to happen really for Vechain. If we're heading to the downside, we're going to be testing this support at around that 7.7, 7.6 cent level. If we're heading to the upside, then that 0.38 level at around 10 cents is where we'll be heading if we're moving to the upside. But overall, things just basically looking like we're just going sideways for the time being in the market. And until we see, significant movement in either direction, then we're probably just going to be putting in a range basically and continuing onwards inside this range until we get a significant break in either direction. You can see obviously the top here being tested multiple times and the bottom. So we're probably going to test the bottom next in our opinion, or we could see a move to the upside, which would hopefully see us breaking out and heading up towards some of these Fib levels we want to see, up towards that 12 cent level, the 0.50, obviously the 618 being the critical one in our opinion. I think if we get back above the 618, at some point in the next month, we will be looking quite bullish for continuation and getting up towards the all-time high and some of those price targets we've been looking for over the next few months, going into, potentially the remainder of the bull run. Because we are still in a bull market, let's make no mistake about it. We're obviously still just consolidating, but overall you can see for Vechain here, a little bit of a concern that we lost that bull market support there, but we could still easily, come down and then come back into this and continue, or just consolidate inside this big pennant formation we've been talking about for a while here, and then getting that move to the upside, in the final days of the bull market for that big rally. So as we said, overall, not really much happening for Vechain right now. Short-term price prediction to the downside, if we're coming down, obviously the 0.23 support at around 7.7 cents will probably be where we get a bounce, and heading to the upside, we are targeting that 0.38 at around 10 cents. Obviously 10 cents also being a very large psychological resistance that we do need to see being tested as well. And as we just said, we do think, even though Vechain has been underperforming for a long time here, we do think this is a top quality crypto, real world adoption and actual use outside of the cryptocurrency space. We do think 50 cents to $1 by the end of the bull market still entirely possible. And, over the next 3 or 4 years, we could see Vechain heading as high as maybe $5, $10. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto support is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.